Everything heavy when we step up. You can't hang with a gang, you a solo. Yeah, everything check, Constella.
Wagwan beautiful people, I am Chef B. If you're new to this channel, welcome Wagwan. Make sure you are subscribed down below. In today's video, we'll be doing a full installation and review for this unit from beautyytb.com. And this is what the hair is looking like straight out of the package. So this is a jerry curl type of curly wavy hair. And as you guys can see, it has baby hairs already in the front. And also the hair came pre-plucked. I'm just doing a little shed test for you guys. And I got this hair in 24 inches. So this is how the hair is looking after I did a little bit of plucking in the front off camera. If you want to see a detailed tutorial on how I pluck the frontal or the frontals of my wigs, I'll just leave a link down below for you guys so you could watch like a very detailed video. So this is how our wig is looking like right now. I'm loving how scalp like it looks, and then we'll be using Got2b freezing spray to melt the lace. Now, I am not a fan of the ball cap method because it's a little bit too much work for someone who takes their wig off nightly. So I don't wear my wigs to bed. So I like a light hold. So I don't use I don't use Ghost Bond glue. I just use the Got2b because it's lightweight. All I need is a little bit of water and it's not harsh on my hair lining, so I don't lose my edges, girl, because my edges are really important to me and I like them and I want to keep them. So what I do is I spray a little bit of the Got2b on my actual lining. Oh girl, my fingers are dry. Just please ignore that because that was hella embarrassing. So I just spray the Got2b on the lining, and then I use a blow dryer and just melt the frontal. So I just do this like almost in every single installation. That is my typical method. And then I'm just gonna take this razor and cut off the excess lace from the wig. So I'm just gonna take my time. You want to do this gently because you don't want to accidentally cut the lace too far back and then your hair is peeking through, especially since I didn't do the ball cap method. So I don't want my natural hair lining or my edges to be peeking through the lace. So you want to be very careful not to cut too much of the lace off. So now I'm just separating where I'm gonna have like a little bit of sideburns. Is that what it's called? Like a little bit of edge situation, you know, because we're gonna do a little swoop later on. And then I'm just gonna like separate a little bit of hair in the front to create them baby hairs. Now I'm going to use the Got2b Pump It Up Spritz, and this is just to touch up the frontal, basically to help the hair lay back, like, you know, just get a sleek nice finish to the front. And also I use a little bit directly on the frontal. Now because this product is wet, you don't want to use too much because, as I said, the Got2b freezing spray does lift easily once the liquid is added on there. So I just use a little bit of the Pump It Up directly on the hair lining just to make sure that the lace is melted. And then I'm going to use a tension method by using this elastic band to tie it down so that it melts while I style the hair. Now this is a curly hair. As I said, it's in 24 inches. It is 150% density. So I know 150% density doesn't sound like a lot, but this hair was so full and beautiful. So I did wash the hair after I took it out of the package and all of that. That's why it's looking a little bit frizzy, because I just left it to air dry on a towel overnight. So I'm just gonna add water and I use this detangling brush to just comb through the hair, and look how beautiful the hair is looking wet. And then I'm gonna add mousse to the hair because, you know, mousse will, you know, keep the curls popping. It will keep the definition, the natural definition of the curls going. So I'm gonna use that, and then I'm just gonna do this all over the hair, and I'm gonna let it air dry for a bit while I do some swoop-diddy-doop. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray the Got2b freezing spray on my edge brush and then create some swoop. It's not going to be a uniform swoop. I don't know what exactly I was doing with this. Like, I was just improvising and just going with the flow. Now I'm going to use my diffuser to dry the hair because I want the hair to be big, but also I want it to have that fine jerry curl type of curl going on. So when you use a diffuser to dry hair, it keeps the definition and also makes the hair full. Like your hair will look so full and the volume is on 10. So I'm just gonna keep doing that until I'm satisfied with the shape and just how it's looking overall. Okay, y'all know this is the final look. Look how beautiful this hair is. I don't even feel like this video is doing this hair justice how it looks in real life. Like the hair is like one of the best curly wigs I have ever tried. Like the curls are beautiful. I'm loving how big it is. The frontal, girl, the lace is melted. Okay, the lace is just doing everything. I'm getting too excited. Don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at @DamnThat'sChef. All the details for this unit will be in the description box down below. And I will see you beautiful people in my next video. Don't forget to spam the comment section, okay? And I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye, guys.
Everything heavy when we step up. You can't hang with a gang, you a solo. Yeah, everything check, come Stella. Let me